guys, welcome to Edufy. Today we are here to discuss about the next topic in the series that we are continuing chronologically, that is your Indus Valley civilization. So after Stone Age, we have seen that next phase that come in India is Indus Valley civilization, which you also know by the name Harappan civilization or Harappan culture. So let us see what it is about. So first we need to see that where in India Harappan civilization is found or this Indus Valley civilization is found. So can you see this darker brown color region? That is on the northwestern frontier of India. It is covering certain portions of India, and maximum of the sites you will found in the Pakistan region today. Apart from this, why this civilization is also known as Harappan civilization? Because the first city that was discovered was Harappa. This is the location of Harappa, which you can see. Another major cities, before going ahead about this civilization, let us see few of the important names like your Mohenjo-daro, Dholavira, it is present in your Gujarat. Lothal, that is also present in Gujarat. And Rakhigadi, it is present in your Haryana region, and till Sukta Gendor, this is the westernmost site of Indus Valley civilization. You will find the expanse of this civilization from Sukta Gendor till Demabad in Maharashtra and to the northernmost site in Gujarat, in the Kashmir region, and easternmost site in the Alamgir of UP. So now moving ahead, let us see what was the time period of this civilization. You will see this civilization flourishing around your 2500 BC, or you can say the mature phase of this civilization from 3300 BC, and it will continue till your 1500 BC, 1300 BC, this time period. So this civilization has grown in three phases: the early phase, the middle phase, and the mature phase. What actually is the mature phase is, we see the proper development of urbanization in India in the mature phase. So we can also say that Indus Valley civilization is your first urbanization culture in India that has evolved in India. The first urbanization period is Indus Valley civilization. Now let us see what is this urbanization that is till today it is being cherished, and its legacy is flourishing. Why? What was so peculiar about this culture? So you will see, can you see this cities, prominent cities? Harappa, this is Dholavira, this is Mohenjo-daro and Kalibangan. Next, what is this sophisticated culture of your Indus Valley civilization, urbanization? And here we will find that the cities were very carefully planned and laid out in rectangular manner, and the whole city will be divided into two parts. One, the higher part called citadel, and the lower part for the two type of people living, the administration and the normal people living in the lower half of the city. That is how the city is planned. Now within those parts also you will see the entire city of Indus Valley civilization will be planned in grid like manner, that is cut, each roads and each paths are cut at 90-degree rectangular grid like system. And apart from that, you will find one of the best developed, well developed drainage system in this Indus Valley civilization. The grid like street patterns, advanced architecture is also visible from this civilization. So you can see in urbanization, in any urbanization you will find that economy is the important aspect. So within economy you will see lot of trade has developed. The Indus Valley were trading with the other civilization of that time, and we will see the agriculture was flourishing. There was no rice, but wheat, barley and cotton was the main focus. Another thing, the trade networks were till Mesopotamia and the other region, that is in the Western Asia and the Egypt, till Egypt you will find this region, and the pottery jewelry and metalworks were of the finest qualities of this Indus Valley civilization. You can see some of the jewelries in the picture. Next thing that we find is that Indus people were also aware of writing. They have a pictographic script, means via pictures were there alphabets, like we have A, B, C, D, they have pictures as their alphabets, and around 400 or 500 in numbers, but till date it has not been deciphered. The research is going on. Once we get a look into the script, once we are able to decipher this script, then I think that could open the new vistas of our understanding of Indus Valley civilization. But you will see that this script is a largely pictographic script. Next thing, let us see their artistic advancements, artistic achievements. Can you see this girl, dancing girl, bronze, standing in a dancing posture, the bronze girl. This is actually made from bronze. So these people were well aware of bronze, that is a mixture of copper and tin, well aware of the metal. Another thing you will also see the workmanship in this bronze girl. So you will find that they know this technique, lost wax technique of development of the bronze statues. You will also see the statue of priest, that is a bearded priest made up of statite. You will see terracotta figurines. So all these things were used. So they have also intricately crafted pottery, jewelry, sculpture, figurines, and knowledge of metallurgy. This culture was booming, but there are many theories behind the decline of this culture. So Indus Valley will decline around 1300 BCE, but its legacy can be seen till today. But the reasons that are attributed to its decline are like Aryan invasion. Also, we will see that there was another theory propounded that earthquake, a major earthquake has hit the place, which has led to the sudden decline of this civilization. And after the end of this civilization, we will enter into the next phase in history, completing the first urbanization and entering into the Aryan era, that is your Vedic age. So till here we have learnt about what is Indus Valley civilization, where it has boomed, what was the time period, and what are its characteristic feature. I hope you like this. This is your Indus Valley civilization. Okay. Thank you so much.